Forget the robots on the assembly line. By 2026, the job AI is coming for isn't manual labor. It's the one you thought required uniquely human intelligence, your desk job. The spreadsheets, the reports, the coding, even the creative brainstorming sessions you're having right now, AI isn't just assisting anymore, it's learning to outperform, optimize, and fundamentally transform these roles at a speed we've never witnessed before. And if you're not paying attention to how it's doing it, you might just be caught off guard. So, how exactly is this different from every other technological revolution? We've heard robots are taking our jobs for decades. But here's the thing, previous waves of automation primarily targeted repetitive physical tasks. Think factory workers, agricultural labor. The human brain was considered the last bastion of true value. Now, that assumption is being aggressively challenged. We're not talking about Boston Dynamics Atlas robot replacing a delivery driver, we're talking about sophisticated models that can write entire marketing campaigns, analyze complex financial data in seconds, or even generate functional code from a simple prompt. The mystery isn't if AI will replace jobs, but which ones, and more importantly, how it's doing it at this unprecedented pace. The shift from automating physical brawn to automating cognitive output is the fundamental game changer. For years, AI was a tool. A glorified calculator for complex equations. But with the advent of large language models like GPT and generative AI platforms for images, video, and code, AI has evolved into something far more capable. It's no longer just crunching numbers, it's interpreting context, understanding nuances, and generating original content. Imagine a paralegal spending hours reviewing documents. AI can now do that in minutes, identifying key clauses and precedents. Consider a junior software developer writing boilerplate code, AI can scaffold entire applications. These aren't just efficiency boosts, these are functions that were previously the core of entry and mid-level positions. This isn't about AI taking a full job overnight, it's about AI taking 80% of the tasks that make up that job, meaning one human can now do the work of 5, or the tasks are simply no longer needed to be performed by a human at all. Now watch this, the focus isn't on AI replacing you, but making you redundant through hyper-efficiency. Let's get specific about where this is hitting. We're seeing significant impacts in fields traditionally considered safe, white-collar professions. Marketing and content creation, AI can write blog posts, add copy, social media updates, and even generate entire video scripts and accompanying visuals. While human oversight is still crucial for brand voice and strategy, the sheer volume of content previously requiring a large team can now be managed by a much smaller one leveraging AI. Finance and data analysis, from algorithmic trading to automated report generation and fraud detection, AI is excelling. Junior analysts who previously spent hours collating data and building basic models are finding their foundational tasks are now automated. Software development and IT, AI is writing code, debugging, generating test cases, and even managing cloud infrastructure. This doesn't mean developers are obsolete, but their roles are shifting dramatically towards more complex problem solving, architectural design, and AI orchestration, rather than routine coding. Customer service and support, AI chatbots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, handling complex queries, offering personalized recommendations, and resolving issues without human intervention. This significantly reduces the need for large call centers. These aren't future predictions, these transformations are actively happening, and by 2026, the ripple effects will be undeniable across these sectors. Here's a critical point often missed. Job replacement isn't always a dramatic, "you're fired because of a robot" moment. More often, it's insidious. Companies first adopt AI to make their existing workforce more efficient. One marketing manager can now manage 5 campaigns with AI, instead of 2. One coder can push out 3 times the features. This leads to a slower, more subtle form of displacement. Teams don't grow as much, hiring slows down, and eventually, the natural attrition of employees isn't replaced. The workforce gradually shrinks, and the remaining employees take on AI-augmented roles. This efficiency-driven displacement can be harder to spot, yet its impact on the job market by 2026 will be profound, subtly reshaping the demand for human labor across industries without necessarily creating headlines about mass layoffs by robots. But here's the thing, this shift isn't just about job losses, it's about new requirements. The implications of this shift are massive. Economically, we could see a widening gap between those with AI-agnostic skills and those without. Education systems will struggle to keep up, churning out graduates for jobs that are already being automated. For individuals, this means a constant imperative to reskill and upskill. The job-for-life concept is truly dead. What does this mean for industries? Leaner companies, potentially higher profits for those who adapt quickly, and a significant competitive advantage. Governments will face challenges in managing unemployment, retraining initiatives, and potentially exploring concepts like universal basic income more seriously. It's a fundamental reevaluation of what human value is in the workplace, and it's happening at light speed. So, is this all doom and gloom? Absolutely not. My opinion is that AI is a powerful tool, and like any tool, its impact depends on how we wield it. The jobs that will truly thrive by 2026 and beyond are those that leverage uniquely human traits, creativity, critical thinking, complex problem solving, emotional intelligence, and interpersonal communication. AI can generate 1,000 article ideas, but a human curates the best one, understands the audience's emotional pulse, and crafts a narrative that resonates. AI can analyze mountains of data, but a human asks the right questions and interprets the why behind the numbers. The future isn't about competing against AI, it's about collaborating with it. It's about becoming the AI whisperer in your field, the strategist who orchestrates these powerful tools, rather than being the laborer whose tasks are simply absorbed. Your job isn't safe if it's purely repetitive or predictable. It's thriving if it involves true ingenuity, empathy, and strategic thought. What are your thoughts on AI's impact on jobs by 2026? Are you already seeing these changes in your industry? Share your perspective in the comments below. And if this deep dive sparked some new ideas or made you think, please hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence. Your support helps this channel continue exploring these vital topics.